Welcome back to my live video. I'm live now, guys. I want to show you how to change charging port, right? I want to show you how to change charging port. I know a lot of people are still having difficulties changing charging port, right? So today I want to show you how to change charging port. So first of all, and this is Bluetooth panel, right? This is Bluetooth panel. So my customer gave me this panel this morning, so I want to change it right now. I want to change the charging port of the Bluetooth panel right now. So let me start. So first of all, for you to be able to change the charging ports, you need to get a new charging port, right? You need to get a new charging port. So let me okay, so this is my new charging port. Let me show you. Let me change my camera to the back. Okay, so this is my new charging port. Check this out. So this is my new charging port. This is my new charging port now. So for me to be able to change it, I need to do what? I need to put lead here. I need to put lead here. So engineers, please never make a mistake of putting charging ports without putting lead here to the pin. Without putting lead here to the pin, right? Okay. Guys, let me clean my back camera. My back camera is not sharp. Let me clean this. Okay, it's sharp now. Okay, so this is the Bluetooth panel I want to work. So this is the charging port now. So let me put lead. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm doing. In fact, let me use something like this. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing now. Okay. Okay, so let me make sure that you put lead here. Check this out. So make sure that you put lead. Make sure that you put lead like this. Okay. Then the next thing is for you to do what? Since this charging port is not the same with this one, so I'm going to set it. I'm going to set it so that this charging port will enter this Bluetooth panel place, right? Okay, so for me to set it, I need to bend this one. I need to bend this leg. I need to bend and cut this leg. So let me show you what I mean. So I need to bend and cut it. So check this out. I've cut the leg out now. I've cut it out now. So the next thing is for me to do what? The next thing is for me to set here. This is where we mostly have errors and we cannot fix charging port. Check this out. If I place this charging port here like this, check this out. This place, this leg here, and this one, they are not the same, right? The charging port leg have enough distance than this one, right? The distance of this one is very close than the charging port distance, right? So for me to fix this, I need to use plier to bend this leg so that the leg of this one will enter this one. So let me bend it and show you. Okay. So you need plier for this. You need plier. So you need to bend it like this. So you bend this side. Check this out. Check this out. Okay. So the next thing is for me to carefully place it here. Carefully place it here. Place it like this. Confirm if this one and this one, they are the same. They have the same distance, right? So when you confirm, the next thing is for you to do what? It's for you to bring your soldering iron like this. Then press this side. Now check this out. I've been able to put one leg now. So the next thing is for me to do what? To also do the same thing to this side. So I'll press this side too. And also press this side. Now check this out. I've been able to put the two pins, this side and this other side. So the next thing is for me to do what? Is for me to carefully put lead. Let me change the camera, my camera direction so that you can see very well. Okay. So let me put lead now. So check this out. Check this out. Okay. Then let me turn this other side. Guys, the next thing is for you to do what? Is for you to put lead. A lot of engineers make this mistake. Let me show you where you need to put lead. Make sure you put lead here, and also put leads in the negative and the positive. Right, so that when once you plug charger, the charging port will send 5 volts to the IC of this Bluetooth, to the charging IC. Okay, for me to be able to do this, it's very simple. Check this out. I've just put lead in this one, so let me put in this other one. So I'll be able to put lead in this side and also in this side. So the next thing is for me to put lead in this positive. So check this positive now. I've been able to put lead in this positive, and let me also put lead in this negative. So check this out. I've been able to also put lead in the negative and the positive. So let me lead it again. Let me take time to do it. So if by mistake, I'm just doing this because I want to teach you work. If by mistake, lead enter this other side, right? Check this out. If by mistake, lead enter this other side, you need a paste. You need a soldering paste for you to be able to remove it. So let me bring soldering paste. Soldering paste in our soldering paste in our end of the training. So you need a soldering press. So this is soldering press. You put it here like this. Make sure you put soldering press. Then carefully take your soldering iron there. Engineers, check this out. So now I've been able to remove the lead that was sprayed to another pin. So all of them are standing on their own now. All of them are standing on their own now. So the next thing is for me to do what? Is for me to press here. A lot of us engineers don't do this. Well, let me show you. It's for you to do what? You need to press this place. You also press here. The reason why you're pressing this so that this charging port will not spoil fast when the owner of the Bluetooth is using the Bluetooth, right? Okay. So let me brush it. You need to brush with your chemical. You need to brush with your chemical. Make sure you take your time to do this. Brush it with chemical. Engineers, check this out. It's 100% done. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This is excellent. This is 100% done. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you think. So let me test it for you guys to see. There are so many ways that you can use to work charging port. There are so many ways. So this is soldering iron way. If you are using soldering iron, if you don't have the workstation, you just have soldering iron. This is a method you can use for soldering iron. Yeah, we have a method for we have a method for this thing, blower or hand blower. We have a method for hand blower. We have yes, we have method for lighter. Yes, if you want to use lighter, we have method for lighter. So check this out. It's charging. It's charging. You can see it's charging. It's charging. It's working. It's working, guys. It's working. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll be very, very happy. If I've made any mistake, let me know in the comment section. You can tell me what I've done wrong. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. If you want to join me live, okay, somebody want to join me live here. Somebody want to join me live here. Amy Black, I call you but no response. Somebody want, I don't know, there's no place for live to join live now. I don't know what's happening. There's no place for me to ask somebody to come on live with me. Guys, guess what? This evening I'll be live on YouTube. Make sure you watch me live on YouTube. If you have any question, let's vibes on YouTube. Let's vibe on YouTube in the evening. If you have any question, let's vibe on YouTube this evening. Guys, if you have any question, let's vibes on YouTube this evening. Guys, if you have any question, let's vibe on YouTube this evening, because I'm going to take time to answer all your questions. Any question that you have, I'm going to take time to answer it. Very simple. Guys, check this out. So somebody gave me this phone. Somebody gave me this phone yesterday. Check this out. Someone gave me this phone yesterday. This is what this phone is showing, right? It's showing connecting to iTunes. So if you want to learn how to get this out from this phone, how to fix this issue, you must be in my training, right? You must be in my training for you to know how to do this, right? But with time, I don't know for now, with time, I will be posting videos on how to, to fix this kind of issue, unavailable, stock on logo like this, and a whole lot of things, right? So get ready for this video. It's coming for those of you who are in my training. It's coming, right? This is iPhone 6. So this iPhone is showing connect to iTunes. Check this out. So I'll be fixing this phone very soon, and the video will be on my training group. That's good, guys. And if you have any question, you can drop me now. Drop any question I have in the comment section. Drop it for me now. And guys, someone just gave me this phone now. Check this out. According to the person, she said this phone is on and offing itself. So let me boot on the phone. Let me boot on the phone and check something. So the owner said this phone is on and offing itself. So let me see if there's any way out, if there's a way I will solve this issue. So the owner said after a couple of minutes or so, this phone will shut down. So, and this phone is a new phone. I don't know what is happening, what caused the issue, I don't know. So for me to solve this issue, I need to test the battery to be sure something's not wrong with the battery. And first of all, checking the battery, I discovered that this battery is somehow not good, because this battery is like a battery that is starting to swell. It's not all that strong. But anyway, let's find out where the problem is coming from. Okay, first of all, let me test the battery connector pin. Yes, let me test it to be sure that it's not from here. Let me test it. So let me change my camera to the back side. So this is the phone now. So I want to be sure that the problem is not coming from capacitor or diode, right? I want to be sure where the problem is coming from and where that's not coming from, right? So let me place it. This is the ground, this is negative. So I'll place the positive of my meter probe, then test here. Nothing is reading. I think it's from here, yeah. It's from this probe. My probe have issues. I think it's from my meter. My meter have issues. I don't know what's wrong with my meter. My meter is not good. Guys, my meter is not good. I don't know what's wrong with my meter. Let me cut this thing. Maybe it's from this thing. I don't know, my meter is not good. What is wrong with my meter? Guys, something is wrong with my multimeter, and I don't want to cut this live video. Let me fix the thing at once. Yeah, Mary. Yeah, welcome. Phone over the one every given it. Phone. Nyarem bones no no, because if I raro. Nyarem no. So engineers, let me show you what I mean. Sorry for that. My meter started doing this and I don't know what happened to the meter. I think somewhere here, I'll get a new meter later. And guys, let me show you what I wanted to show you, So when a phone like this shut down and on itself, shut down on itself. So the first thing for you to do was to test, to place the positive to the ground and you hold the negative. If you test this first one, it's not reading things from the ground. Let me place it here. Test it. Now you can see it's reading diode now. Then here, this is ground. Then here, this is NTC. Okay, no, this is NTC. This one here is NTC. This one here is NTC. Yeah, afternoon. But I'm going for I'm going to need a menu for that. So when I'm ready tomorrow. 1,000. Press on my room. Yeah. Guys, so after checking, right, you need to be sure that all these pins are still working. You need to be sure that all these pins are still working. That's number one. So number two, the next thing is for you to do what? I need to open this phone because I need to confirm the fuse resistor. I need to confirm the fuse resistor whether it's working or not. I need to confirm the fuse resistor whether it's working or not working. Guys, sorry, whenever I'm going live, people do disturb me, so sorry for that time wasting. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy. Oh my God. So let me open this phone. Okay, someone is asking you, engineer, what is wrong with the phone? Okay, the phone is doing on and off, on and off, on and off. The phone is doing on and off. So you want to check where the problem is coming from. Yes, this video will help a lot of people who ask me, Father Joe, my customer phone is doing on and off. It's not steady. When I on it, it's doing on and off. It's doing this, it's doing that. So let me check it. Let me check this phone now. I still have a lot of phone to repair. So today I think I will close by 9. Okay, I'm done removing all the bolts. I think there's bolts here. There is. Okay, I'm done removing all the bolts. Guys, the best tool for you to use and open your customer phone or any phone that you want to open is your nail, seriously. Because if you try using phone opener, hey, if you're not careful, you can even spoil the phone. So for me, this is the best tool for me. So for you, I don't know. For me, this is the best tool for me. So when you're opening the phone, you should be very, very careful. I think there's bolts here. There's bolts here and there's bolts here. You can see that. There's bolts here also. Yes, I think there's a bolt somewhere here. This place, something is holding it. I'm checking very well. Okay, there's no bolts. There's no bolts. So this is the phone panel now. So this phone is doing on and off. Let me first of all check some component here. I'll just open this phone now. So this is the first time of opening this phone. So let me check if I will see any physical damage. Make sure we are on. No, man. So okay, sorry guys, and so I'm checking if I will see any physical damage. So let me start testing some components. Let me start testing components. Okay. Okay, I'm checking capacitors to be sure that it's not shorting. To be sure that all these small capacitors are not shorting. Okay, let me read normal. Let me just read this way so that I will show that voltage is still flowing in. Engineers, voltage is still flowing in. Voltage is still flowing in. Nothing is blocking this. Voltage is still flowing in. I think it's just a minor issue. Let me remove this. This is screen and this is touchpad. Engineers, from the look of things here, the problem is not from the panel. I think maybe it's just a contact effect. Let me clean the battery connector pins. It's just a contact error. So engineers, this is what we call troubleshooting. For me, I don't rush my videos. If I want to do video for you guys, I will start from the beginning. I don't rush videos. So make sure you clean this. Make sure you clean this, right? Make sure you really focus on the battery connector. Use sharp objects to clean it. So let me read the battery voltage and know the actual voltage in the battery. So for me to do this, I need to set my meter to 20 volts. So we have 20 volts here. My meter is not good. So before you understand my meter, it's not easy. Okay, this is 3.8. This is 3.8 volt. This is 3.8 volt. My meter is not good. That's why you see all these things. I'll get a new meter soon. So the problem is not from the phone panel. Voltage is still flowing in. There's no physical damage. All this capacitor that is near the battery connector, they are still reading very fine. And the phone is not heating up. It's not heating up. Nothing is heating up in the phone panel. And now I want to clean here. I want to clean the surface of this battery. I want to clean the surface of this battery. So let me just power the phone on and keep the phone for like 2 minutes and see something. If the phone will still shut down, and do the same thing. Let me pack. So for me to be sure whether this phone is working perfectly, I need to allow the phone to stay for like 1 or 2 minutes. Guys, I will not cut this live video. I will not cut it because I want you to also see whether it's going to work or not. So guys, the phone is still on. The phone is still on now. The CPU is working very fine. The heat from the CPU is normal. Okay, let me try charging the phone. You can see it's charging. You can see it's charging. It's charging. Now guys, this is what I noticed. When I booted this phone, the battery was 50 something, but now the battery just gets up to, oh my goodness, this is where the battery is now. 22 from 50 down to 22, which means something is wrong somewhere. Let me charge again and see something. Guys, check this out. I think the battery will increase. I saw that before, so that's why I'm plugging the charger now again. Just want to see something. Okay, it's charging now 23. But let me keep the phone for a while, and while I'm keeping the phone, you can ask me a question. So I'll answer your question. Okay, it is Victor Emma from Ituloga Government. Okay, Five State. I really appreciate. At least you just let me know where you're watching me from. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Yes, let me check the phone again. The phone is working fine now. The phone is working perfectly now, because if the phone is not working, the phone would have just turned off now, but the phone is still on, which means that the phone is working now without any issue. It's working very normal now. Nothing is wrong with the phone again, because when the owner brought the phone, if you on the phone will just on and off, later on and off, on and off, on and off. But now, guys, it's working. Let me fix the phone now. After fixing the phone, I think I'll go live again to show you guys. But for now, let me just go offline now. Guys, if you have any question, you can let me know. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.